Here are 5 high-tech lighting upgrades for your four-wheel drive that work amazingly well with the new Adventure Kings LED headlights. Need even more light performance on a budget? Then add a set of the amazing Adventure Kings LED driving lights, available in either 7-inch or 9-inch size for pure long-distance night-penetrating power. The lethal 20-inch LED light bar floods the road ahead with a brilliant bright light anytime you hit your high beams and complements the Adventure Kings LED headlights perfectly. Want the absolute ultimate in LED light performance? You simply can't go past the incredible 8.5-inch laser driving lights for unrivaled light production. Throw extra light out the sides or the rear of your vehicle with a set of the cracking 4-inch LED work lights. Ultra bright, IP68 water and dust proof, and amazing looking too. And finally, take the headache out of wiring up your driving lights or your LED light bar with an Adventure Kings wiring harness, the easiest way to power your lights. Seriously upgrade your rig's lighting capabilities and save even more when you get any of those cracking bits of gear in a combo with your new Adventure Kings LED headlights.